Oh shit. That's right in the middle, it's going to go off any second. Heating up. Shit!